My name is Boyd Shepard, attorney at law. Today we're going to be talking about Texas State Board of Dental Examiners Rules and Regulations, Rule number 108.6, Report of Patient Death or Injury Requiring Hospitalization. This rule is the requirements for when a patient is either hospitalized or if there's patient death which may have occurred as a result of dental treatment. So first, let's take a look at the wording of the actual rule. The first part of this rule says, the death of a dental patient which may have occurred as a consequence of the receipt of dental services from the reporting dentist must be reported within 72 hours of the death, or such time as the dentist becomes aware or reasonably should have become aware of the death. So, what the rule is saying is that once a dentist learns of a death of a patient which may have occurred as a consequence of the receipt of dental services, the dentist has 72 hours to report that to the state board, or 72 hours from the time that they became aware or reasonably should have become aware of that death. The second part of the rule states that the hospitalization of a dental patient as a possible consequence of receiving dental services from the reporting dentist must be reported within 30 days of the hospitalization, or such time as the dentist becomes aware or reasonably should have become aware of the hospitalization. For this section, regarding hospitalization, the rule states that hospitalization shall be defined as an examination at a hospital or emergency medical facility that results in an inpatient admission for the purposes of treatment or monitoring. So there must be inpatient admission when it's pertaining to the second part of the rule for hospitalization. Once this information is reported, either under subpart 1 regarding patient death or subpart 2 having to do with hospitalization after an injury as a possible consequence of a dental treatment, what the doctor can expect from the state board is that they will at a minimum request a copy of the dental patient's chart, and they will open an investigation at a minimum to review that chart and ask additional questions or for additional documents to confirm whether or not the injury or the patient death was a result of that dental care. Go ahead and forward a copy of the dental chart along with the notice letter just to expedite this process. This concludes our discussion of Rule 108.6. If you have additional questions regarding this or any other rule of the State Board of Dental Examiners, please feel free to contact me via the information which will appear at the end of this video. Thank you.